Hi, myself Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kakinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about data models in DBMS. What is data model? Data model defines how the logic structure of the database is modeled. Data model are fundamental entities to introduce abstraction in a DBMS. Data models define how data is connected to each other and how they are processed and stored inside the system. The different types of data models are hierarchical database model, network database model, relational database model, object-oriented database model, and ER model. Hierarchical database model. In this model, there is a parent-child relationship. In this model, each entity has only one parent and many abstract children. There is only one entity in this model that we can call root. In this model, data is organized in a tree-like structure which has only one root. In this, the data is stored as record that are connected to each other. It was proposed in 1970. Here is the structure of the hierarchical database model. Here, college is the root node and department and infrastructure are the child of the college node, and course, teacher and students are the child of the department. Advantage and disadvantages of hierarchical database model. Advantages: it promotes data sharing. There is a parent-child relationship due to which its concepts are simple. It provides database security. It takes one-to-many relationships. Disadvantages are it is not flexible. It does not have a data definition and data manipulation languages. It requires knowledge of physical data storage for complex implementation. Changes in its structure require change in all programs. Next one is network database model. This model is an extension of the hierarchical model. In a network model, data is organized into graphs and it can have more than one parent node. That is, there is more parent or child relationship in it. And it is some entity can access for multiple paths. So we can say that in this model we store and access the data as a network. The network model was first used until the relationship model was proposed. This is the structure of the network database model. Here, store have more children, that is customer, manager and salesman, and customer has one child that is order, and manager has one child that is order, and salesman has two child order and item, and adder has three parents, that is customer, manager, salesman, and manager has one parent, store, and customer and salesman also has one parent, that is store, and item has only one parent, that is salesman. This is the network database model. Advantages of network database models. Its concept is as simple as the hierarchical model. There is more than one parent or child relationship. Data can be accessed easily in it. It provides data integrity. It contains a data definition language and data manipulation language. The disadvantages of network database model is its database structure is very complex or difficult because all the records in it are maintained using pointers. Changes in its structure require changes in all programs. Next one is relational database model. In this model, data is stored in relations, that is table, and each relation has rows and columns. The relation model is a group of tables in which data and relationship are specified. In this model, the data is stored in two-dimensional tables. The tables are also called as a relation, and a row of each table is called a tuple. A tuple represents an entity and the column of the table represents the attribute. The relation model was proposed by E.F. Code in 1969, and since this model has been used the most. This is the structure of the relational database model. Relational database models are made up of tables. Here students is the name of the table, and the roll number, name, mobile number is the column name, and John, Aryan, 3, these are all attributes of the table, and each row represent the tuple. We have as many as tables in the relational database model. Each tables are linked by using the keys like primary key and foreign keys. Advantages of relational database model. It is very flexible. It can easily make any kind of changes. In this, the data is kept in tables, so its concept is very simple. It provides data integrity, that is, no user can access the database without the owner's permission. The disadvantage of relational database models are it requires powerful hardware, computer, storage device and software. It is very easy to use, but when a user stores data in it incorrectly, then it becomes very bad DBMS. This is a very simple model. Due to its simplicity, some users create their own database, causing the problem of data inconsistency and data duplications. Next one is object-oriented database model. In an object-oriented database model, information and data is displayed as an object, and this object stores the value in the instance variable. In this model, object-oriented program images are used. This model works with object-oriented programming language like Python, Java, VB.NET and Perl, etc. It was constructed in the year 1980s. Advantages of object-oriented database model. Semantics content can be put in it. It supports inheritance, which increases data integrity. It improves performance. The disadvantage of object-oriented database models are it requires a powerful system due to which the transaction is very slow. It is a very complex model. To use it, one has to learn it first. There is very little security in it. Next one is ER model. The full name of the AR model is the Entity Relationship Model. It is a graphical approach to database design. That is, the database is designed by diagram and visual representation in it. It uses entity or relationship to display real-world objects. Entity. In an ER model, an entity is a real-world object. The properties of entity are called attributes. For example, a student is an entity in the database of school. A relationship. The association between the entities is called a relationship. The mapping cardinalities defines the very essence associations like one to one, one to many to one and many to many. This is the structure of the AR model. Here customer and accounts are the entities. Account is the relationship between the account and the customer entity. Here customer name, street, social security and customer SIGI are the attributes of customer entity. Balance number and balance are the attributes of the account entity. And advantages of AR model are the AR model is very simple if we know the relationship between entities and attributes. This model is presented as a diagram with which we can understand easily. Is integrated with a dominant relational model. Disadvantage of AR model are limited constraint representation, limited relationship representation, no data manipulation language, loss of information content occur when attributes are removed from entities to avoid crowded displays. I hope this video will help you to learn about different database models. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.